The Steely Windshield Mount Kit Plus is the windshield mount you've always wanted. Our patented magnetic mounting technology allows you to securely dock even the largest phones using our reliable, high-quality windshield mount design. With the Magnetic Phone Socket Plus and its high-friction silicone center, your device quickly attaches for hands-free viewing and easily adjusts to the perfect viewing angle. There are 2 ways to attach your magnet. If you want the socket to remain on one device at all times, adhere the 3M VHB-backed magnet directly to the middle of your phone or case. If you want the ability to be magnet-free or easily move your magnetic socket between devices and cases, adhere it to the included multi-stick adapter. The unique multi-stick adhesive holds strong, removes quickly, and resticks multiple times. The windshield mount attaches with a patented suction cup base that features a locking lever to create a tight seal for ultimate holding power. This lever also unlocks the mount for quick removal. The lightweight aluminum arm is easily adjusted to match the angle of your windshield. Next time you hit the road, use the Steely Windshield Mount Kit Plus to discover a whole new world of high-quality, hands-free mounting solutions.